Hi everyone! Welcome to your first complete English listening practice. Today, we aren't just doing one lesson, we are covering 5 essential topics to get you started. Grab a coffee, relax to the music, and let's listen. Hi, I'm Sarah. It's nice to meet you. How has your day been so far? Hi, I am Sarah. It is nice to meet you. How has your day been so far? So far means until now. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I drink tea and then I start my work. I love quiet mornings. Focus. Listen to the word usually. It describes a habit. Could I have a large latte and a croissant, please? To go, thank you. It's a bit cloudy today, but I think it will stay dry. I hope the sun comes out later. Keyword: cloudy means there are many clouds in the sky. In my free time, I like listening to lo-fi music and reading books. What about you? Thank you for practicing with me today. You just finished 5 lessons in one go. I am so excited to help you on your English journey. To make sure you reach your goals fast, I'm committing to uploading 3 new lessons every single week. Hit that subscribe button and join our community so you never miss a practice session. See you in the next lesson.